हमारा आज का टॉपिक है मार्केट। दिस इज यूनिट 4th ऑफ योर बुक फॉर्म्स ऑफ मार्केट एंड फॉर्म्स ऑफ मार्केट। And also in this unit we have to determine the price under perfect competition, that is price determination under perfect competition. This unit it consists of two parts: forms of market and price determination under perfect market. You write down what is market. कॉमन लैंग्वेज में हम मार्केट कहते हैं उस जगह जहां गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज are bought and sold. A particular place or a region where goods are bought and sold. A piece of land where goods are bought and sold. That is market. So in common language में हम कहते हैं, in common language, market is a particular place where goods are bought and sold. Where goods are bought and sold. लेकिन इकोनॉमिक्स में ये डेफिनेशन नहीं है. In economics, market is not only a particular place where goods are bought and sold. Market is not only a particular place where goods are bought and sold, but it can be a vast area. But it can be a vast area. Even it can be the whole state, or it can be the whole country, or even whole world. So for a good, the market can be a whole world. It can be a whole world in which buyers and sellers can make close and free contact. In which buyers and sellers can make close and free contact between each other, and the price of a good comes into equality. So this is the definition of market. So market is not only a particular place, a specific region, a specific place where goods are bought and sold, but it can be vast area, it can be a state. For a good, market can be throughout a country, throughout the whole world. The only condition is buyers and sellers should or can make free and close contact between each other, and that contact should be such that the price of the same good tend to equality easily and quickly, or price of the same good comes to equality easily. This is the definition of market. One of the economists, according to Carnot was a good economist, a great economist. According to Carnot, he has made a good research on market. According to him, what is his view about the market, he says that economists understand the term market not a particular place, in which goods are bought and sold, but whole of a region, in which buyers and sellers are in such a free contact with one another, that the price of same good tend to equality easily and quickly. So, क्या कहता है कॉर्नॉट कहता है जो इकोनॉमिस्ट्स हैं वो अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं मार्केट that it is not only a particular place in which goods are bought and sold, but market can be a whole region, even a state, even a country, even the whole world. The condition is only that in which buyers and sellers are in such a free contact with one another that the price of same good, एक ही चीज हो उसका प्राइस जल्दी ही इक्वालिटी पे आए. जो प्राइस दिल्ली में है उस चीज का वही वॉशिंगटन में होगा, वही ब्रिटेन में होगा, वही फ्रांस में होगा, वही श्रीनगर में होगा. सो buyers and sellers should be in such a free contact, वो उतने मतलब कंटैक्ट में हो, उनके लिए उतना फ्री कंटैक्ट है, कम्युनिकेशन है कि वो उस चीज का प्राइस जल्दी स्टेबिलिटी पे लाए, इक्वलिटी पे लाए, एक ही प्राइस एक चीज का हो जाए. दैट इज मार्केट. सो द कंडीशन इज दैट देयर शुड बी फ्री contact between buyers and sellers to buy a product or to sell a product, and at the same price. There should be same price for the same good. So this is the definition of market. So in economics, market is not only a particular place where goods are bought and sold, but it can be a vast area, vast region, state, country, even whole world in which buyers and sellers are in such a free close contact with one another, between each other, that the price of the same good tend to equality easily and quickly, that the price of the same good comes into equality very easily. अगर ₹1 की फर्क कहीं पे हो, वो जल्दी ₹1 कम या ज्यादा हो और इक्वलिटी पे आए अपना प्राइस. So this is the definition of market. Now, what are the features of market? कौन सी चीजें एक मार्केट वो बना दी है? You write down, ये लिख लिया, definition of market लिख लिया ये. You write down the features of market. क्या क्या है इसके फीचर्स। इसके दो चार फीचर्स हैं, तब एक मार्केट को हम मार्केट कहते हैं। अब हम मार्केट कहते हैं जब ये खदुखाल हो, जब ये फीचर्स हो, फीचर्स ऑफ मार्केट। मैं ब्रीफली बताऊंगा फीचर्स ऑफ मार्केट। मैं थोड़ा कॉम्प्रहेंसिवली देता हूं आपको जामिया तरीके से। देयर आर सम 3 or 4 फीचर्स ऑफ ए मार्केट। तब हम किसी जगह को या किसी चीज के मार्केट को मार्केट कहेंगे जब ये फीचर्स फुलफिल हो जाए। फर्स्ट फीचर इज देयर शुड बी एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स। एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स, exchange of goods in terms of money or in terms of goods. That is market. There should be exchange. So in the market, there should be give and take of goods. Exchange means accepting one thing for another. एक पार्टी देती है, एक पार्टी लेती है, तो उसको हम एक्सचेंज कहते हैं। चीजों का तबादला या चीजों का तबादला विजाविज मनी, मनी के साथ हो या चीजों के साथ। सेकंड इज there should be two parties, that is buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers, there should be buyers and sellers. पहला फीचर है there should be exchange of goods. Goods should be transferred from one party to another. तब हम मार्केट कहेंगे। अगर किसी जगह चीजें हैं लेकिन सेल नहीं होती है, रखे हैं ऐसे ही, तो हम उसको मार्केट नहीं कहते हैं। देयर शुड बी टू पार्टीज। अगर चीजें हैं, ना बायर है ना सेलर है, अगर सेलर है तो बायर नहीं है, तब भी हम मार्केट नहीं कह सकते। आवाज आ रही है मेरी? आवाज आ रही है? फीचर्स ऑफ मार्केट,
यस सर।
फीचर्स ऑफ मार्केट क्लियर हो गया? एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स।
यस सर।
एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स।
नो सर।
आवाज आ रही है ना? आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
यस सर।
So these are the features of market. Exchange of goods, two parties, advantage to both buyers and sellers, and there should be voluntary transfer. अब हम दूसरे टॉपिक पे आएंगे। what are the forms of market? मार्केट के कितने फॉर्म्स हैं? Do you have any concept about forms of market? Forms of market. Forms of market. एक डायग्राम में दे दूंगा, that will explain you how much or the types of market or forms of market. कितने forms ले सकते हैं, कितनी शक्लें ले सकते हैं. Forms mean शक्लें. किसके शक्ल की मार्केट हो सकती है? कोई आइडिया है आपको? मैंने मार्केट लिख लिया. Basically, market have two forms, main two forms. One is perfect market and another is imperfect market. Imperfect market. Perfect market and imperfect. वो ये हम explain करेंगे one by one. One by one we will explain them. Perfect market and imperfect market. Perfect market and imperfect market. जो परफेक्ट मार्केट है इसको हम दूसरा नाम भी देते हैं, परफेक्ट कॉम्पिटिशन, कॉम्पिटिटिव मार्केट. परफेक्ट कॉम्पिटिशन भी इसको कहते हैं. Sometimes we call it perfect market and sometimes perfect competition. ठीक है. जो imperfect market है इसकी डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स है, इसकी बहुत सी फॉर्म्स है, इसकी एक ही फॉर्म है. imperfect market का फर्स्ट फॉर्म है मोनोपोली. मोनोपोली और जो आपको पढ़ना है, एक तो पढ़ना है आपको परफेक्ट मार्केट और परफेक्ट कंपटीशन, इट इज फीचर्स, और दूसरा पढ़ना है आपको मोनोपोली. पहले हम डिस्टिंग्विश करेंगे परफेक्ट मार्केट एंड इम्परफेक्ट मार्केट का, फिर हम एक एक करके उनको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. व्हाट इज परफेक्ट मार्केट एंड और परफेक्ट कंपटीशन एंड इट्स फीचर्स, मोनोपोली. फिर है डिओपोली. डिओपोली, it is based on number of sellers. This formation of market, or this I can say classification of market, has been made on the basis of sellers, number of sellers. Perfect market, monopoly is second, third is duopoly, and the third is oligopoly. Oligopoly. Perfect market is that market in which there are large number of buyers and sellers. जहां अनगिनत, infinite, we can't count. It is an imaginary market, but in the economic perspective, in the economic subject, it has a great importance, this market. When you will study its features, you will understand what type of market it is. Then we have monopoly, which is a kind of imperfect market. It's a type of imperfect market. Mono means one, poly means seller. That market in which there is only one seller, who is wholly and solely responsible, wholly and solely powerful in the market. Then we have duopoly. Duopoly means, duo means two. The market in which there are two sellers, poly means seller. Oligo means few, more than two, few sellers. So these four, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. These four types of markets we have to explain. Duopoly तो आपको syllabus में नहीं है. So for your syllabus is concerned, that is perfect market, perfect competition, monopoly, and oligopoly. Okay. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
अब हम ये लिख लिया, ये आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए है. It is for your good information. तो अब तो आप सवाल लिख लीजिए, डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन परफेक्ट मार्केट एंड इम्परफेक्ट मार्केट. क्या है इनके दरमियान? डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन परफेक्ट मार्केट and imperfect market. perfect market and imperfect market. The first of perfect market. आप अंडरलाइन कर दीजिए. By perfect market we mean when same price, when same price prevails or exists. When same price prevails or exists for the same commodity. For the same commodity in a market at the same time. At the same time. समझ आ गया? एक ही कमोडिटी है तो सारे मार्केट में इसकी रेट एक ही है. Whether you go to X seller, X shopkeeper, he will charge you a price. That same price will be charged by the Y, by the Z, by the M, by the N, by the A, by the A, B, C, D. So when same price prevails, same price exists, same price rules for the same commodity. Commodity is same, 100% same. There is no difference or differentiated products. The commodity is same in all respects, whether packing, whether shape or color or material, packing, everything same. So same price prevails, that market is called a perfect market. So perfect market में एक ही price prevail होता है for the same commodity at the same time. There is no variation of prices because the number of buyers and sellers in this market is quite large. So there is no variation. कोई तफावत नहीं है, कोई फर्क नहीं है. Variation of prices. There is no variation of prices because the number of buyers, and sellers in this market is quite large. It's quite large. बहुत ज़्यादा buyers and sellers. When there are large number of buyers and sellers, same price prevails. The commodity also, the commodity in this market are homogeneous. The commodity bought and sold. The commodity bought and sold is homogeneous. Homogeneous means same in all respects. And the buyers and sellers have perfect knowledge. And the buyers and sellers have perfect knowledge about market. About market conditions. The firms and factors of production are free to enter and leave. The firms and factors are free to enter or leave the market. So this is, अगर आपको ये भी कहा जाए what is perfect competition, what is perfect market, so this is the proper and complete definition of a perfect market. Number second is imperfect market. Imperfect market इसके अपोजिट है में है ये, यहां अगर सेम प्राइस है, यहां डिफरेंट प्राइसेस और चार्जड फॉर द सेम कमोडिटी. By imperfect market we mean, by imperfect market we mean when different prices are charged, when different prices exists or are charged for the same commodity. Commodity same है, but one seller charges one price, another price, another price, so on and so forth at the same time. At the same time in the market. So when different price are charged by different sellers for the same commodity, in this market the number of buyers and sellers is limited. Why it is so? In this market the number of buyers and sellers is limited. Number of buyers and sellers is limited. यहां कम है number of buyers and, जिस तरह perfect market में large है, unlimited है, infinite है, we have huge choices and number of choices, and they are not fully aware about market condition. यहाँ perfect knowledge होती है buyers and sellers, यहाँ नहीं होती. And एक तो limited है, दूसरा they are not fully aware about market conditions, or they have imperfect knowledge, they have less knowledge about market conditions. The buyers and sellers have imperfect and less knowledge about market conditions. Yes. Also, one of the feature or form in this market is that the firms and factors are not free to enter or leave the market. The firms cannot easily enter the market and firms cannot leave easily. The factors of production cannot easily. This feature makes this market imperfect. Also in this market, the firms and factors cannot enter or leave the market easily. Leave the market easily. The firms and factors cannot enter or leave the market easily. Which makes this market imperfect. Which makes the market imperfect. ये बहुत बड़ा फीचर है, ये इस मार्केट को imperfect बनाता है. Which makes the market imperfect. So this is the definition of simple concept about perfect market and imperfect market. In the perfect market, same price prevails, exists rules for the same commodity. The commodities are homogeneous, buyers have perfect knowledge, and firms and factors are free to enter or exit the market easily without any compulsion or coercion. There is no force upon any firm or factor to leave or enter the market. Then on the other hand, on the other extreme end, we have imperfect market. By this type of market, we mean when different price or exists or charged for the same commodity at the same time in this market. So in this market, the number of buyers and sellers is limited, and also they are not fully aware about market conditions. Also, one of the great feature of this market is that in this market, the firms and factors cannot enter or leave the market easily. This feature makes this market imperfect. So this is all about perfect market and imperfect market. So I think this is enough for today. Meaning of market, forms of market की तरफ भी मैंने थोड़ा आपको what is the classification of market, how we classify the market, कितने classes हैं इसके, कितने types हैं, कितने forms हैं इसके. तो फिर हमने ये डिस्कस किया है परफेक्ट मार्केट एंड इम्परफेक्ट मार्केट. तो कल हम उठाएंगे इंशाल्लाह परफेक्ट मार्केट और परफेक्ट कंपटीशन, इट इज फीचर. मीनिंग तो हमने क्लियर किया है, व्हाट आर द फीचर्स ऑफ परफेक्ट मार्केट और परफेक्ट कंपटीशन. देन वी विल टेक अप how price is determined under in this price of a product is determined in. Okay, और कोई प्रॉब्लम?
सर
ठीक है, अच्छा सा इसमें मजा आता है पढ़ने में, जबरदस्त मजा आता है. तो आप ध्यान रखिए, आसान सा यूनिट है ये, 10 नंबर समझो हाथ में है. इसमें बस मीनिंग आती है कुछ और फीचर्स दैट इज ऑल. कहीं पायस डिटर्मिनेशन तो वो भी कोई बड़ा मसला नहीं है, आसान सा मसला है. ओके,
यस सर.
थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू.